Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to show y'all how to finesse a frontal, and that's exactly what I have done today. It was a 360 frontal wig, and it came from MsHere Hair. Of course, y'all know I'm going to link everything in the description bar below. I'm sorry if I keep looking up. I'm looking at my viewfinder, but I'm going to try to look right where I'm supposed to be looking. But anyway, so I got this hair from MsHere Hair Company. And this is how it looks. I did go ahead and put a few dark brown, I guess you could say like highlights in it, little streaks. Nothing really major, just a little something, a little pizzazz for the fall. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I bleached my knots, and also I'm gonna show y'all how I put the wig on and finessed it, because don't nobody have time to be gluing no wig all the way down the whole 360 head when you're just going to be wearing it in one little style and, you know, not keeping it on for the whole day. I wanted to show y'all something quick and easy that you can do. And since I don't wear my weaves or wigs long periods of time, this is perfect for me. So if you're like this, or you're a beginner and you really don't know what you're doing and you just want something kind of quick, go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of the video. And also hit up MsHere Hair Company for this wig. I love getting wigs that are already wigs so that I don't have to do them myself. And I want to show y'all the luster of this hair. It is so freaking nice, like wow. And it's full all the way to the ends of the hair, like it's no like straggly ends. It don't feel like it's about to break on me. Feels very strong, and I feel like this wig was like the perfect density. Y'all know I don't like really super overly full hair. I like it to look natural, as if it was, you know, my real hair or whatever. Even though y'all know it ain't. But hey, I just want y'all to see this, okay? Okay. But yes, this is perfect for the upcoming holidays. Like, okay, you know you gotta put on your cute little outfit to go sit in Granny living room. Hey grandma. Okay, so stay tuned for the rest of this video. I hope you all enjoy. Although it does seem a little bit longer, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all that there is lace all the way around, which means you definitely can put it into a high ponytail. It came with 4 combs, one at the top, 2 on the sides, and 1 at the back. Keep in mind that I did remove the one at the front because it just hinders the parting process if you want to part your hair down the middle. But I'm going to go ahead and start with the bleaching process. So I am using some bleaching powder and 40 volume developer. You really can use whatever kind of bleaching powder and developer you like. I really just usually get like Quick Blue or W, whatever. It doesn't really matter, guys. Local beauty supply store or Sally's will do the job. I ended up adding 4 scoops of bleach total, and I kind of eyeballed the developer just to get to a thick, creamy consistency. Make sure it's not too loose because you don't want it to seep through the lace. So I did remove that comb, as I was telling you all before, and I'm just going to go ahead and pin the wig in place and start painting on that bleach. Please be light-handed. Please do not be heavy-handed, because the way that the wig is on the cap, it is easy for it to seep through. So yeah, be very light-handed. And I'm just going to go ahead, and you can really stop right here. You don't have to go all the way around. But I just decided to go ahead and bleach the lace part in the back. There is a space where the elastic band is. Obviously, I'm not going to be bleaching that part. I just bleached the part where the lace was. So yeah, like I mentioned before, it's not mandatory or necessary or required or anything like that. I just did it just because. And since I had a lot of bleach left over, and you know we don't waste, I went ahead and added in some little low lights, highlights, whatever streaks, and I just did it really randomly. And yeah, I just wanted to add in a little bit of brown color for this fall weather. I thought it would be really cute to go ahead and add that, so you know, I did. Nothing major. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting off with my dusty hair and putting it into a low ponytail in the back. I'm going to go ahead and take this brown stocking cap. Oh, no, actually, I'm going to slick my hair back with some Got To Be Glued gel. You can really slick it back with anything. It really does not matter. Yeah, don't use a lot because we are going to be pulling out some of our edges. You can't actually not put it on the side that you're going to have your part on. I don't know why I made this hard for myself, actually, now that I think about it. So yeah, leave out the section that you don't want inside the wig, if that makes sense. So anyway, I went ahead and put on my wig. I already put it into a ponytail. I just want to show y'all that you can put it into a ponytail. I'm just going to go ahead, slide my wig on and pull it down. And I'm just going to spin around so y'all can see how it looks. I did not like the shape that they had this frontal in. That is the main reason that I decided to do a finesse and frontal video, is because I didn't like, it just went straight across. I didn't like it at all. And also the wig was really, the wig cap was really small. So definitely keep that in mind when purchasing a wig from them. So yeah, I went ahead and cut the lace off. I cut it pretty far away from the hair just so that I wouldn't snatch up any of the hair in it. I left a little bit. Only time I cut any hair off was around my ear area. And yes, I cut the lace all the way around. I think I only showed the front part though. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put some Got To Be Glued gel on my edges, which you can use edge control. It really don't matter because you're going to be pulling it out. I'm just sticking down the side of my hair that is going to be showing. So I'm going to do like my front and my sides. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just my front and my sides. And then I'm going to be putting a wax strip on there to let it dry. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. And then when I take it off, I'm going to do my edges. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so now this is the point where I'm going to be pulling a little bit of my edges out. You know, like I mentioned, since the frontal did not match the way that my hairline is, or I couldn't pluck it to be the way that my hairline is due to the short parting distance and also the tightness of the wig, I just went ahead and did this, and I like it this way better. Anyway, I really personally don't like frontals, so I could talk about that in another video. I'm going to do a video about frontals versus closures. I just don't like frontals in general, personally, for my hairline. I think they look really good on other people, but that's not the point. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just going to be fixing my part and getting the desired look that I want. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit of baby hair in the front, kind of make it look a little more realistic. But yeah, I really didn't do much. Oh, also, you see how my hair is sticking up at the top? I am going to be using a hot comb to flatten that down, and I'm also going to be using some Cantu Shine Serum to make my hair look shiny and to kind of protect my hair because I am using heat on it. So yes, that is me flattening the top. I did make sure I pulled some hair over the tracks in the back because it is easy to separate the frontal from the tracks in the back, and you definitely do not want to do that. But you can use a curl winder if you don't have a hot comb. I just really like the hot comb better. Now I'm just going to be doing my edges, you know, a little more pizzazzled up, if that makes sense. That's not even a word. But I'm just going to be like doing my baby hair pretty much. At first I had just slicked them back, but you know, I wasn't really feeling that. I needed more. Okay, I needed more. So now I'm just going to be slicking it back with my baby hair, you know, swoopity swoops. And that's pretty much it for the look. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely check out MsHere Hair Company, and they have really good hair. I really like the hair. I didn't like it as a wig, but I really like the hair. So keep that in mind when y'all are ordering from them. Thanks for watching. Bye.